Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Fernando Herrera, and I'm in St. Paul, Minnesota today at Tire Depot with Ahmed. And today he's gonna show us around. They actually have an open house, the third year in this specific location. So I'm excited to see what's going on. So thank you, Ahmed, so much for your time, man. I appreciate it.
Thank you for having us,
So let's go ahead and walk in.
All right.
So when did you guys open this place, man? Just briefly.
We started off with retail shops, and that started in '93. My dad started, and then we kind of took over and then made it bigger and became wholesale.
Nice, man. Also, what we got here?
So this is our showroom here. We got everything that fits everything, all different colors and brands and sizes.
I will be showing
This is our giveaway for some of our loyal customers. We're gonna do a little raffle and raffle off some stuff.
Nice, man.
But wheels-wise, we got pretty much everything. We carry all brands, all sizes.
I was talking with Sammy some moments ago. He told me you guys got about 400 sets, man, open.
Yeah, that's just on what's open on the floor for the specials. But we have quite a bit on the floor. So in the Midwest, I think we're one of the biggest wheel wholesalers that have product on the floor. So a lot of shops, a lot of places will have to order it. We have it here on deck, ready to go for you guys.
Man, that's crazy. So I see a lot of office space, man. What used to be this place?
So, yeah, the building used to be an electric company, so they had a lot of offices. We don't need many offices. We use a couple of them, but it's mostly all warehouses what we need to warehouse the product. So if you guys want to come through the warehouse, I'll show you guys around. So as you can see, top to bottom, tires and wheels.
Got some nice racks. Obviously, you guys don't have these booths. You guys are about to see some booths. You guys don't have the booths every day here, right?
No, this is just for the vendors. We have some vendors coming in from out of town here. They're going to be advertising their specific brand or what they got going on. But yeah, this is normally the main artery where the traffic goes through for the tires. They go into the loading dock over here. A lot of stuff's going online now.
Yeah, man, and I know. I appreciate the time. So we see the order picker over there. You guys got racks up. Do you know how many tires you guys got roughly?
I don't even know.
That's a good question.
Sammy could answer that question. Sammy, he's asking how many approximate tires we got in this building.
We got over 300,000 tires in this building.
There you
Wow,
go.
man, that's crazy.
This is my brother Sammy. He's the main honcho over here.
Sometimes.
So our will call's on the other side.
So let's say somebody buys a tire, then you guys take it all the way
So
over there?
most of it. So we got a lot of retail shops to deal with. So the order will come in, they'll pull it, they'll bring it to the other side. I'm sorry, I'll show you guys there in a minute. And they'll ship it out to one of our delivery vans. But then if they want to pick it up, there's a will call section also on the other side. These two loading docks are for mostly UPS and FedEx.
Containers and-
Yeah,
okay.
these are either unloading or loading FedEx trucks. We load FedEx trucks every day for online stuff.
Oh man, I see you guys got even tires all the
Oh
way
yeah,
on the second floor.
we take advantage of every inch, brother. We have to do that.
All right, man. What do you say you like most about this warehouse, man?
Honestly, brother, it's like I said, it's a growing thing. We need more space now because we're growing, and it's me and my brothers, and it's my dad started everything out, and we kind of, like I said, took over and trying to grow the business, and that's about it.
What would be your advice to someone who wants to start maybe in their town, in their little city?
Start off
that's coming?
small and you work yourself up. That's about it. You know, my dad started off with a 2-bay shop with a pickup truck with maybe 30 used tires in the back of it. You know, and that's how we moved up. There was used to be, honestly, it's a long story on how everything started and how he started with nothing to this. So now we have 6 retail stores. We have 2 warehouses. Doing wholesale, retail.
And you guys got 2 warehouses, right? So yeah, one in St. Paul and the other one in
Fridley.
Fridley, okay,
Yeah,
perfect. So I saw from the outside, there's like a big pillar or something, right? Like
you want to go on top?
Yeah.
You scared of heights?
No, we're good. We'll find out.
What do you mean? You want to go up there or no?
Yeah.
So here, there's a nice view of the docks. I guess it will.
No, it's good, man. And these heaters are, I mean, you guys can't tell, but Minnesota, I mean, I'm from Vegas, man, and it's warm. And here it's hot. Like, I mean, it's cold outside.
Yeah,
I'm not used to hot weather, but I'm impressed how the heaters do their job really well.
Oh yeah. But you should see when it gets down to below 20 and shit, then it gets real.
So they don't work anymore?
They do, but as soon as you open that door, it's gone. You know, you got to start all over.
Oh,
It takes
man.
a couple hours to heat it, and then.
So for those of you
I don't know if this
counting, we're already in second floor and going like, God Lord. And you guys built this from the scratch, from the ground up?
Me and my brothers, yeah. Me and my brother did it.
Dang, man. So you typically put a harness on?
To get up here, yeah. That's the bridge. That's the river. You can get some good angles from here.
That's nuts, man. Yeah, you don't see this often.
No, no. Downtown's right there. Yeah.
So you guys come here often? Like, I even see like, what is that? Like a tire or something?
No, I've came up here maybe 3 times since we opened. I'm saying up here, but
Yeah.
down there, yeah. It's they put the most less moving stuff downstairs. I mean up in tower, sorry.
So you can see the entire facility from here.
Zoom up on Jose over there.
Oh man, that's crazy. It's a big building too, man. And
Yeah,
you
it's
can see
pretty-
it. You can see it from here.
Yeah. I think it's 60,000 square feet total.
Nice.
It's cold up here, bro.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. It's,
Watch us get locked out down here. Up here.
oh man, hopefully not.
Nah. We got phones, so we're good.
A few moments later.
That was interesting. For sure, I don't think Sammy would have taken me out there, so I had to take a chance. I wonder what the energy company used to do with this space. Like, what was it? Just like
I have no idea. There was
generators or
so
something?
from this floor up, there was just a bunch of. When we moved in, there was a bunch of little wood shelving. There's one still there against the wall over there.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of wood shelving. I don't know what the fuck they were doing. Like a bunch of bookcases. It looked like. But I'm saying they weren't bookcases. I'm just saying I don't know what they were doing with them.
Yeah, like I wonder,
Like,
why would they need such a tall, like high roof building for?
Yeah, I have no idea.
Nice to be
Appreciate
back
the-
in the warm.
Yeah, definitely, bro. I can still feel my ears.
Let's do it, man. Oh, dude.
I need a glaze, bro.
I got a chocolate, actually.
Thank you, Jeff.
No, I think that would be it, man. Well, thank you
sir.
again so
Thank
much,
you guys
man.
for coming.
Thank you so much
Appreciate
for the
it.
invite.
For your time. Yes.
Take care.
All right, guys, and I don't have my mic here, so you might hear a little bit, I guess, you might hear my voice at a different level than the rest of the video. But here's what I'm talking about, the rooms. So we have one office, another office. They even have them counted. So this is office number 9, this is office number 1. So this is what I was talking about, the hallway. They'll have wheels and they'll have a pricing on each wheel. And each paper is actually specific to this wheel. So Mod Performance MP43 with the specs and the price. It's for the set, I believe, actually. Although no, that sounds way too cheap for a set. I don't know, I've been way far out with wheels. I would be shocked if this is for all 4. I'm almost certain this is per wheel, like 99%. But anyways, you got here another room with stacks of tires, wheels, more offices. We already saw the display. This is office number 15. And again, just hallways and hallways of wheels, more wheels. This isn't a conference area, and again, I believe it's closed. Oh no, it's actually open, but again, more office space. There's a lot of offices here. There's a hallway that goes straight to the warehouse. We'll go over there shortly, but I want to show you guys the labyrinth. So here again, we had some restrooms, and we got another little hallway with more wheels. This is crazy, honestly. You'll go, more office with more wheels. That's a dead end. And this is what I was talking about, the little labyrinth. So you have to walk through here. And you know, later I'll tell Sammy, or Sammy, if you're watching this, maybe you'll watch this, man, later. This would be nice to have like a little racing track. We had this, and if I can find a picture, I'll give it to the editor so we can add it here in the video. But in Vegas, I painted the racetrack actually, along with another guy. And I think this would make it look so nice, like a nice little racetrack. Obviously this is carpet, so it might be a little hard to do. But I mean, you already got so much stock, man, honestly. So much stock of all sorts of brands, all brands that I've heard. Velocity, Drop Stars, Fuel. It's a lot of wheels, you know? So you got more wheels here. That's an exit. I mean, it's just crazy, guys, the amount of wheels that we have here. Another office. Oh, this actually looks like a nice little conference room. I guess we got our friend Sammy here. looks good. So now we're gonna go to the warehouse. It kind of reminds me back in the day when I used to drive. This is the order picker. This is how you steer it right here. This is how I think you like pull it and to move backwards or pull it forward. And you gotta be pressing that button that you see at the bottom. And you're supposed to wear this harness, which, I mean, that's required by OSHA to be safe, right? And yeah, I think a beautiful warehouse, honestly. They got beautiful racks, nice setup. I like the bridges underward. So like if you guys see the yellow part, the order picker can drive under. Obviously, you know, as long as it's like low. But yeah, very nice way to use space. And yeah, that's a tour of the warehouse pretty much. Now, I did want to point this out. Sammy did tell me they use these packages that FedEx, I guess, gives away or for free or sells them. But if you're having enough volume, they give them for free. And then you can buy a printer and then you can print all the labels. And yeah, no worries, man. And right now they're actually using a system called AutoFluent. But don't worry, guys, trust me, you don't want to move into the system. He's going to be switching over to Tire-Base very soon because it's just a lot more efficient, better for bins, tracking, everything, the whole 9 yards pretty much, right? But yeah, there's a little roof access on top and it looks nice. I'll walk you guys out. I think this is a perfect time to walk outside. So as you guys can see, this is a FedEx truck. And so they leave this FedEx pretty much 52 footer and they fill it. So as they're filling it, FedEx will come pick it up and then drop off an empty one. It's that simple. That's why there's 2 doors. They're doing a 52 footer. That must mean they're doing quite some volume. If you guys didn't see my other video with Chuck over in Ohio, he had something similar, but I think they were 40-foot containers, like actual containers. These are dry van, like truck vans, and he has a whole bunch of them, as you guys can see over there. Still like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again, they have some space here. I don't think that's theirs, but it's beautiful. You can actually see St. Paul from here, very close. All right, guys, but well, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, it's cold, it's freezing cold, but yeah, if you have any questions, don't forget to reach out to me via Instagram, LinkedIn. Make sure you like this video. Thank you, Tire-Base, for sponsoring this video as well. Don't forget to watch my podcast interview with Sammy. And if you want to check out, let's do this. If you want to check out Sammy's podcast, make sure to click in this section right here. And if you want to see Chuck, the one I just mentioned a moment ago, you can click right here and I'll leave the video right here. Again, as always, it's a pleasure. If you want me to go and visit your warehouse, if you're having an open house, feel free to email me at fernandoh@tirebase.io, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.